All right, let's try this again. I posted a someone else's YouTube video of what we all call the for real bird, because that's what his call sounds like. Sounds like for real. And I'm gonna pan out here on my balcony and let you see what it looks like. A little hazy this morning. Mostly I want you to hear the for real bird. There it is. One moment. I'm gonna turn this around. Of course, now that I come outside and want you to hear it, it only did it a couple of times, so, oh, my eyes are red. There it is. See you next time. I got another video coming out. One of my viewers had asked some questions, so I'm going to answer those. Take it easy. Stay frosty.